Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Makeup by Earn. Today we're going to be doing my Looney Tunes makeup that I should have done like weeks and weeks ago, because I did this for my little birthday celebration. And you know, I wish I could see the shirt. Okay, so I already have my face done because I'm trying a new step this time. I want to do my face first and see what's the big hype about that, and then do my eye makeup, because I always see my favorite makeup artists doing that. And I mean, I've done it before and it's actually not as time consuming as the other way. But since y'all have already seen my face routine plenty of times, if you've watched through my whole video, then you'll know how to do your face. No shade, no tea. I'm just saying, because you know, sometimes y'all be asking me how to do stuff and y'all so-called be looking at my videos. Look at the videos, all the answers are in the videos. So yeah, as you can tell, my hair is all twisted up. I'm trying to do a protective style. I'm tired of doing my hair, so don't judge, don't make fun of me, but it is what it is. See my little ponytail? All right, so we're gonna get started. So y'all already know the first step. Boom, 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 boom. So we're gonna use that so that my colors can be more vibrant and pop a lot more. Put that on the eyelid as usual. And you know what? The way I did it last time, like, I liked it. But watch me do something completely different today. Watch. But then if I don't, I prove myself wrong, so kudos to me, right? You know, it's crazy. Y'all might get 2 videos this week, because I should be getting my Ipsy bag this week, and I am so excited. I'm so excited. This month would have made a whole year that I did not have my Ipsy bag, because I remember I stopped my Ipsy bag in June of last year. So it's the start of something new. It feels so right to be here with you. Oh. Alright, now that we got all of that blended out, make sure you blend, because blending is life, blending is key. Where is my palette? Alright, so we're gonna go in with my Morphe palette, you know, the Picasso palette, because that's my somewhat kind of my only colorful palette that I have, unfortunately. But it's okay, because I'm going to branch out and I'm gonna get some more very soon. Maybe not very soon, but close to soon. Yeah, baby, we're gonna get some. The main colors that I did on my birthday were red, yellow, and blue. So we're gonna do those colors today. And then, like, looking at my shirt, yeah, red, yellow, blue, black, but you know, yeah. So yeah, red, yellow, and blue. I feel like I want to do more of a halo this time. We're gonna try it. I always come on camera and just freestyle it. I'm gonna get tired of doing this. I'm gonna get real tired. Oh my god, I cannot believe I just did that. I mean, you can't tell that I did it though. This is pretty. I be feeling myself too much. But it's okay. You're supposed to feel yourself. You're supposed to love yourself the way that you are, with or without makeup. You're supposed to be confident regardless. I'm really big on that too. If you can't love yourself without makeup, you need to learn to do it without it first. Or you know what you should do? Go to college and have an 8 a.m. class every single day. See if you want to get up and do your makeup every single day at that time. Every single day. We'll see. We will see. Now with this step, I am going back in with my NYX eyeshadow base so that when I do put my blue on my bottom lash line, the color will pop. Y'all really can't tell me nothing about my makeup game. Like, I'm getting better every time I do this makeup stuff. Y'all can't tell me anything. Y'all can't tell me anything. Okay, now that we're done with my eyes, I'm gonna get closer up so y'all can see. We're gonna go on with my e.l.f. eyeliner, and I might do a dramatic wing, I might not. We just gonna see how it turns out. Because if I say I'm gonna do a short, or not a short, if I say I'm gonna do a thin one, it's gonna turn out thick. If I say I'm gonna do a thick one, it's gonna turn out thin. So we just gonna see what's gonna happen. How about that? Tell it got a little thicker, but it's okay because I didn't tell y'all what I was gonna do. That's the trick, okay? That's the trick. Don't say what you're gonna do, even though you kind of want to know. You're not gonna know because I don't know. I kept saying that I needed new lashes, and guess what I did? I got some new lashes, some bomb ones too. This one is really pretty. I wore these on Wednesday. I want to say Wednesday. That's when I had my little photo shoot of my own and my skin was popping. I don't know why my makeup was looking so good as it was that day, but it was looking bomb. And these were the lashes that I was wearing. So we're gonna put those on right now. If you go to the MUAProject, it's in a pink package, okay? It's gonna look like this. It's gonna be pink. It's $7.99, and it's the US Route 81 lashes, and they are worth it, honey. Alright, so now that we're done with my lashes, we're gonna go on with my lip color, and I don't know what lip color I want to do, and I always struggle with this, so might just have to go in with like a nudish, noodle color. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to go in with a nude color. Alright, so we're gonna go on with my lip liner. Dark brown from NYX. okay. Okay, then we're gonna go in with my NYX Lingerie lipstick. And this is number 17, and the color is Seduction. 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 Now that I got the perfect lip color that I want, I'm gonna put in a little bit of my Too Faced Melted Matte lipstick, and this is the color Suck It. You know, these are some really sexual names for some makeup. It's funny, it's cute, but every time I say it, you know, I feel like, dang, I wonder if everybody thinks I'm like a freak. Like, I just pick up the makeup because it's pretty. Alright, so then we're just gonna do a little bit of that in the middle. Did y'all understand me? I said I'm gonna put a little bit of that in the middle, and now that we are finished, I'm going to spray my face on my Urban Decay finishing spray, setting spray, and I need to buy some more, as you can tell. When I tell you my face is set, oh no, nope, I didn't finish. Haha, take that back, take that back, take that back. We're gonna go under my brow bone with my Black Radiance highlighter so that brow bone can pop. But it's okay because I sprayed my face, so it's just gonna make it pop even more, so I ain't tripping. Alrighty everybody, that's my finished look. Get you a close-up on my makeup. I actually love this look 10 times more than when I first did it. And you know, you can really see my growth, man, because I used to be so afraid of color. I used to be so scared that I was gonna look crazy, but I was told if you know how to do your makeup, if you know how to blend right, then you can rock any color that you want to. So don't let the whole thing of, you know, you gotta be light skinned to wear this color, or you gotta be really dark to like wear this color, or you can only be black to wear certain colors, you gotta be white to wear certain colors. You can rock whatever color you want to, as long as you blend it right and make it look good. Okay, as you can tell, I actually really liked this routine that I did today. Doing my face makeup first and then doing my eye makeup. I did not know I would ever love that routine, but it works a lot. It makes the process a lot faster because you get your face done. That's like, what, 40 minutes? Okay, not 40 minutes, 30 minutes already on top of your eyebrows, and you really focus on them for a really long time. That's like 15 minutes, maybe even 20 minutes. Then you do your eyes, that's another 20 minutes. Regardless, it's still gonna take a long time, but I guess it's a mind thing, you know. It's like, okay, well, I got my face done, it's not gonna take that long for me to do the rest of my stuff. So I guess that's some more growth on me, you know. I actually like doing this routine a lot better. Oh man, I'm surprised I'm not ripped in the arms. I just be holding my arms up for so long doing my makeup. Well, anyway, make sure you like and subscribe my video. If you have any comments or suggestions, list them down in the comment box. You know how to contact me. Some of you already have my number. Follow my Instagram, Makeupbyernn. Follow my Twitter, it's MBEarn. It's gonna be listed down in the description box. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I post my videos. And I don't know what else to say. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I guess I will see y'all the next time I post my video.